ChutneyPedia. If you have never made chutneys before, trust me, it's easier than you think. Our today's recipe is Apricot Chutney, a fresh, spicy condiment that you can use on almost anything. Think of it as a fruit salsa. Since chutneys are an explosion of flavors in a condiment, they are best if they rest for a day, so the flavors can melt into a cohesive condiment. So let's jump into it. If you like today's recipe, please subscribe our channel ChutneyPedia. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. See you soon.